What's up, guys? Welcome back to Fix It Friday. We got a pretty exciting episode this week. Not really, it's kind of boring actually. Don't have much to fix this week other than this Squish is having some problems with her mouse. Her hands are really little and she can't really get to the buttons very easily. So she keeps clicking the right click button instead of the left click button. So we're just gonna do a real simple thing to make it a little bit easier for her. And hopefully it'll help. So basically, we're gonna clean it off, paint one of the buttons, and see if it helps. Or see if she freaks out because her buttons are the wrong colors. Either way. But I don't know what's going to happen. We don't have any actual paint other than leftovers from painting our PC case, and I don't have any more paint here. So we're not going to do that. We're going to try fingernail polish. So I don't know if fingernail polish is going to stick to this paint or not. We're just going to do some minor prep work, throw some paint on it, and come back a couple hours and see if it fixed it or not. So yeah, let's try it. Alright, so we do need to do a little bit of prep work here. I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but this thing is a little bit gunky. It's old. So we're gonna try and clean that up a little bit. We're just gonna try and clean it up with a little bit of rubbing alcohol and that kind of thing. Ideally, you would take something like this apart first, but do I ever do things the ideal way? A little rubbing alcohol on the rag here. Give it a good cleaning. Alright, so rubbing alcohol is cleaned off. Let's see what we're working with here. A little bit thick, but we're just going to try and paint. A little dabbing motion. As far as the camera can't see what I'm doing at all, so progress so far. Alright, so here we go. Post paint. I'm only gonna do one coat on this, so it's not too bad. And we'll see how it turns out when it dries. Alright, so the paint's dried. Looks pretty nice. Looks a little better from further away, but I could probably put a second coat on here. It would look a lot better, but it's for a 3-year-old, so it'll do. But as far as the fingernail polish actually sticking on, feels really solid. Like it's not coming off, it's not scratching off my thumbnail. So fingernail polish to paint on cheap plastic mouse works. Anyway, let's go wrap up this one. Quick update on the PlayStation PS3 thing. Quick update on the PcS3 project. I did also mock up the power supply out of cardboard to exact dimensions. We've changed the cooler height to the height of the Thermaltake Engine 27, which is a 27 mil high cooler. And with those, it does actually all fit in here. We can get the lid closed, and it all fits if we sacrifice our mounting ports. Our other option is ditch the GPU, use the iGPU, and then everything will fit nicely, and keep the mounting ports because this board fits, here, let's see it, just there and there, just on either side of the mounting ports, so it'll be fine. And the PSU again just sits right back there, so it's not really a problem. I should probably do it with a tripod, but it's over there and I can't get a good angle with it. So my other option is we sell this GPU and try and buy one of the half height versions that are like this big. Because if this was that big, there'd be no problem here at all. So that's an option. It's not really something I want to do. Even those, they're a bit more expensive to get those. I saw Galaxy's put out a half height 1050 for about $100, but I really don't want to spend that much on this thing if I don't have to. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Should we buy a new GPU? Should we go for it without a GPU? Or should we just say screw it and try and shove it all in here as it is? So comments, let me know. But that's gonna do it for this week. Hit that like button, get subscribed, and I will see you guys next time.